What is up, everybody? I'm out here at the park. We are downtown Tallahassee. See downtown Tallahassee, see the Capitol. That is the state of Florida capital right there. This is College Town. FAMU behind me. Florida State University on the other side of these buildings. FAMU up that way, up the hill, up on the hills. One of the 7 tallest hills or something like that in Tallahassee. And the sunset. Ooh, that's bright. My phone doesn't like that. But we're here at the Phantom Crossing, and it just goes off randomly, even though they're putting a bike trail in. I see what they're doing. There it goes right now. That's wild. But anyways, there is a train actually coming. I don't know where it's at. Should have already been here by now. But we're going to catch it when we see it. But it is just a beautiful day out here in North Florida. The kids over there at the skate park, skating around. I don't know if you could see them or not. There's a skate park over there. Again, this is College Town along Gaines Street. Got a little dried up pond thing going on. But we're gonna catch this train when he comes into view. It is creeping along, slowing down. The yard for Florida Gulf and Atlantic Railway is back down that way, kind of bright that way. Let me stand back. Yeah, I was just out taking a walk. Got 24,000 steps. There's some girl but across the tracks down in front of me. I guess that's why they're putting the pedestrian crossing in here. I don't know if it's hooked up properly because it goes off randomly. We'll see if it goes off when this guy comes through. But they go real slow because there's a lot of pedestrians. Alright, he must be doing like 1 mile per hour. We'll be back in a minute. We are back. Check this train out. Oh yeah. This is the train from Baldwin. That's over there by Jacksonville. Creeping in. That's a good shot right there. Florida Gulf and Atlantic Railway. There he goes. There he goes. Nice. Check that out, guys. Yeah. It just got dim over here. Like, he literally turned the sun off when he went that way. That shelling is loud on that curve. Those flanges rubbing. A lot of empties on this one. Much better. pull back out. See the Capitol over there in the background? State of Florida Capitol. If you didn't see it, boom, you can see it now in the background. And the Department of Education over there. The train's about done. It is only like a mile or so from the Tallahassee yard over off Lapona Road. Check that out. The sun's happening. Turn the sun back on. There we go. So that's the Florida Gulf and Atlantic Railway. Heading down the track. And this is College Town in Tallahassee, Florida. Take that in. It's only about 74 degrees, if that. It's nice and cool. Cool breeze. No bugs. And a bunch of people out enjoying this day. It's a weekday. It's not the weekend. Alright, there you have it. No, there you have it. See ya.